What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Now today I'm bringing you my choice for Cuban cigar of the week, and this week it is the absolutely beautiful Partagas Serie D No. 5. Now this is a phenomenal 4 3/8 by 50 ring gauge cigar, and weirdly enough, in that smaller sort of shorter format, that ring gauge looks a lot more substantial than a 50. It's almost like a 54 in the hand. It's got a really nice weight to it. It's got a sort of mottled mid-brown, semi sort of matte wrapper as well, and just some really nice Cuban notes. You know, I get that with all my Cuban cigars, just really nice Cuban barnyard, pure clean tobacco notes coming through. It has been a while since I've had one of these, so I'm really looking forward to getting back into those flavors and really kind of rediscovering my love for this full-bodied cigar. So let's stop talking, let's get this cut and lit. Let's move on to the first third. I'll see you in a second. So making my way through the first third of this one today, and I've been treated to some really nice, elegant flavors. I'm getting coffee, I'm getting chocolate, there's a nice dry leathery note in there as well, and there's also it's kind of metallic citrus note, but in the best possible way. It's just kind of tantalizing my taste buds with every puff. Just on the finish, I'm blowing out the smoke, and then I'm kind of looking at the cigar, and then that nice tang just comes through, and it's quite beautiful. It's quite romantic almost. It just really kind of marries in well with those leather and the chocolate and the coffee. A beautiful cigar so far. Currently hanging around medium in terms of body, but I know that is going to pick up as I work my way through the cigar. So I'm going to sit back and enjoy. Let's see what that middle third has got in store. I'll see you in a second. So guys, about at the midpoint on this one, the flavors, let's continue with the coffee and the chocolate, that dry leather note. Kind of just cleanses your palate between every puff. It kind of just gives you a fresh start, but also gives that lingering of the leather. That kind of citrusy metallic note has dropped away. I think it was just the first third on that one, but there's a very nice introduction of a very warming spice, almost cinnamon, star anise and clove. Just real nice, comforting, warming spice. The strength has picked up. It's moving more into that medium to full as expected, but it's holding really nicely. That ash is bang on perfection. Nice pointed ash there. Those center leaves are burning a lot slower than the wrapper and binder. It's exactly what we want to see. A beautiful cigar so far. Definitely one that I am going to be coming back to. I'm going to be stocking up my humidor with a few of these. Let's sit back, get this band off. Let's see what that final third has got in store. See you in a second. So guys, down to my last moments on this one today, and it's been phenomenal from the start. Started off with those real nice chocolate and coffee and that leather note, with that little bit of that almost metallic-y, citrusy note there in that freshness. That final third, everything's moved all the way up. This is definitely a full-bodied cigar, but it's a full-bodied cigar with some substance. It's not just, you know, it's not just power over flavor. It's a beautiful tasting cigar. One that's, in my opinion, overlooked in the D series, definitely, and definitely in the Partagas range as a whole. Head over to the website right now if you want to pick one of these up for yourselves. You will not be disappointed. cigars.com is cgars.com. And if you've liked this video, as always, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And let me know in the comment section what my next cigar of the week should be. I really want to hear your suggestions. I really want to meet your expectations. And I really want to start those conversations in the comment section. So head down to the comment section right now and let me know. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. And until next time, please take care of yourselves. Peace.